The questions on accountability are important, especially when we take into account that every month the public, Wanjiko, invests more than 15 billion Kenya shillings in teachers' salaries. Teacher performance and development TPAD remains one of the most effective and systematic accountability systems to be put in place in the teaching service. And I want to tell you today, we are a study case in Africa and developing worlds. We are ranking very high because our teachers have embraced PC and TPAD, and it is putting us on a very high pedestal. The 2017 KCP results, as I said the other day, have demonstrated the positive impact of teacher appraisal program in the provision of quality teaching. In order to ensure the 100% transition from primary to secondary, we will henceforth put more emphasis in the staffing of secondary schools, especially day schools where we expect your students to transit to. In this regard, as I said yesterday, we have made a proposal for funds to recruit 12,696 teachers every year for the next 4 years to make the transition a success.